like just over and over
Oh
and over.
my
He
God.
is tearing it up.
Look
We
at
are.
that damage. Wow, what a moron.
We sure are.
And we're kind of stuck, I think.
Fine. He's gonna hit it again.
Yeah, he's gonna hit it again. Just take it out, man. Stop, stop, stop! No!
Fucking that truck.
Oh, the gas tank.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, the city is gonna sue the crap out of them.
This guy does not know how to tow shit. Look
No,
at him.
I don't know what he was thinking. This is a 45-degree turn on a triple. What? Come on.
This guy does not know how to tow. Like, I know how to tow better than this.
Yeah, if you're
I
gonna,
already towed my boat.
you're gonna
man.
destroy the sign, you might as well destroy the shrubs.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
He's just cutting the median.
He's like, fuck it! Fuck it!
Oh my god, he's gonna take out the other one. No, he's gonna take out the other one. There's a pole in the middle,
Oh my god.
the crossing pole.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
This guy can't direct traffic to save his life. Nah, it's just fiber. That's just fiberglass. Oh, there's some yeah, some diamond plate there, crushed. There's something leaking.
It's probably from that gas tank.
Shit, it might be. It could be the air brakes. Oh, you know what? There's a compressor line there too for the air brakes. For that one.
I'll throw this bitch in park. We ain't going to.
And I just imported all my videos, so I got plenty of recording time.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Is he gonna go back over the median?
I think
He
he can't stay on that side.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at that pole, it's destroyed.
Oh my god.
All the wiring and everything.
This
You
is
can go ahead and take the right. Oh, you got the green. Wow.